English together.
Conversation 1.
Hi, Alex. What are you doing?
Hey, Emily. I'm cleaning my room.
That's great. Are you finding anything interesting?
Yes, I just found some old photographs.
Oh, memories. What are you going to do with them?
I'm going to organize them into an album.
That's a lovely idea. It'll be nice to look back on those memories.
Definitely. By the way, what are you doing?
I am looking for Tom. Did you see him?
Oh, yes, he is in the garden.
What is he doing?
He is exercising.
How about Maya? Did you see her?
Oh, yes, she is in her bedroom.
Oh, what is she doing?
She is practicing the guitar.
I see.
Conversation 2.
Hey, John. What are you studying?
Hi, Sarah. I'm studying biology for our exam. It's hard.
I'm studying too. We should help each other.
Good idea. What are you learning now?
I'm reading about the digestive system. It's interesting.
I know that. Our bodies are amazing. Did you finish the practice questions?
Not yet. I'm still working. By the way, is there any difficult part you want to discuss?
Yes, the human brain part is hard. I'm trying to understand it step by step.
I can help. Let me explain this part to you.
Thanks, Sarah.
If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends so that more people can get to know about it. Thank you for your support.
Conversation 3.
Hi.
Hi, Angela. It's me, Sarah.
Hey, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner now.
Wow. What are you cooking?
I'm making chicken with carrots and onions. How about you? What are you doing, Sarah?
I'm just watching TV.
What show are you watching?
A funny comedy show.
Sounds like a fun way to relax.
Yes, it is. How's your day been?
Not much happening. Just reading and spending time with family.
Family time is important.
Yes, it helps me relax and forget stress.
I understand. Hey, let's plan a get-together soon.
Next Monday, maybe? We can go shopping together.
Great. See you soon.
See you, Sarah. Take care.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.